The call began on social media.
We're making a book.
It's called 6 Words Fresh Off the Boat.
Hundreds of personal stories about immigration
And identity.
Each told in just 6 words.
Then we paid visits to schools and small businesses, to English classes for recent immigrants, naturalization centers, and Ellis Island. And we encouraged daily encounters where people were asked these 6 words. And the answers came in from across America, across cultures, and across generations.
You go alright. I'm not telling you to stay, and I don't mean that leaving's wrong. I just wanted you to know I think you're right. You're right where you belong. Yeah.
We enlisted the voices of notable names in art and literature, entertainment, and sports.
You're right where you belong.
Millions of engagements, thousands of words, hundreds of stories. One unique and timely book. 6 words, fresh off the boat.